Good evening to all dear students. Welcome to your online classes. So it starts from today. Okay, this is Professor Suresh Babu, Department of Civil Engineering, Angadi Institute of Technology Management. I hope you are all fine. In last semester, you have studied water supply engineering subject. This semester, it is a continuation of water supply because the end of water supply is nothing but starting point of wastewater engineering. Similar to this semester you are having municipal wastewater engineering. Municipal wastewater means it is nothing but a sewage which is generating in a society. Okay, as and today you have studied that water supply engineering. Now we will study in detail, particularly concerned to municipal wastewater engineering. Okay, as per your VTU's notification, the reopening date is 1st of September, 1st of September, and the last working day is December 17th. Okay, is approx. Hello guys, this is the overall syllabus concerned to your 5th semester. See, okay, your comes under 2018 scheme. See, now in totally 8 subjects. In totally 8 subjects. Among these 8 subjects, you are having 6 theories and 2 lab classes. Okay, this is environmental studies is an optional subject, and this semester you are not having what you call elective subjects. Only the main core subjects are having. Now I am taking the subject 18 CV 55. This is comes under municipal wastewater engineering. This slide contains the overall view of your subject concerned to 5th semester. Okay. See, in this semester you are studying municipal wastewater engineering. It is 18 CV 55. Okay. See here the total marks for this subject is 100. See, this 100 is 40 plus 60 marks. 40 is for internal and 60 for main examination. But out of 60, see, they will ask for 100 marks questions. Okay, you have to answer any 5 questions choosing at least one question from each module. Okay, among 40 marks internal, see 10 marks will be given for what you call that is assignments. 10 marks for assignment and 30 marks for internal assessment. See, totally 3 assignment and 3 internal tests will be conducting. Okay, among 3 assignments, see, that is concerned to covering to overall 5th semester, and then 3 IA test will be conducting, and the average of 3 IA marks scored will be considered. This slide shows the overall syllabus content present in your subject municipal wastewater engineering. This is 18 CV 55. Totally you are having 5 modules. Module number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this will be I am giving to your I am sending this to WhatsApp group so that we can see very detailed. So in this month I can cover approximately one module or 1.5 module. Okay, dear students, this is the portion studied under water supply engineering in 4th semester. Okay, this is nothing but a flow chart. Already you are having this one. I have given in the last semester. Now here you are studied totally the entire subject is concerned to water supply. So this is water we are drawing from the river source and you are pumping to the water treatment plant. From this water treatment plant, what are the units of treatment? You have studied all those things. Okay, first unit is aeration, second unit is sedimentation, third unit is sedimentation with coagulation, and then filtration. Afterwards, see the disinfection. After disinfection, what you have done is the treated water we are going to store in a storage tank. See, and then it will be supplied to the public. That is called distribution. In distribution system, we are having totally 3 types. One is gravity system, other one is a pumping system, and third one is a dual. Dual means the both. Okay, see, after supplying to the public, the whatever the product which is coming out, see, that is called wastewater. This is a community water supply. Since it is community water supply, the outcoming is also called community wastewater. See, the general term we are going to use for this wastewater is a sewage. See, the title of your subject is what you call municipal wastewater engineering. Okay, see, now this is nothing but what you are knowing from this. Actually, the end of water supply is the starting point of wastewater engineering. This semester we are going to study quality and quantity of the wastewater whatever you are coming out from your residential area. Okay. Dear students, this slide shows the overall idea on that your classes, that is online classes, will be conducting. See, this is online classes timetable it is. Okay, see, totally you are having 8 subjects. See, under 8 subjects, 2 subjects are laboratory. See, again only we are showing 6 subjects, theory subjects. Okay, 6 theory subjects. See, each subject we are handling 4 hours per week. Each subjects will be handling for 4 hours per week. All the lecturers will handle 4 hours per week. So, okay, here my subject is on Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, and as well as Friday. See, whatever the marked here, see, these are my subjects. That is my classes. See, each class is 1 hour class, so that you can concentrate on your subject. Dear students, we are coming slowly into the subject. We are entering into the subject. The portions which are to be covered by me are given in this slide. Okay, this slide is concerned to module number 1. This is a module number 1. See, I am taking totally 10 classes. That is a 10 hours class in module number 1. Okay, the first one is introduction. Second one, third one, fourth one, everything will be given to you. See, just you go through briefly about this. Okay, this is a overall syllabus portions will be covered, and based on these chapters, based on these topics, see, I have framed some of the questions for you. See, those questions are assignments. Already, as you know that 3 assignments will be given in this semester. Okay, and 3 internals will be conducting. See, among 3 internals, that is a test. Okay, the average of 3 will be considered. See, that is an internal for 30 marks and then assessment for 10 marks. See, totally the internal assessment marks will be 40 marks. Okay, see, already you are knowing in 4th semester. Dear students, this slide shows the assignment questions. Don't think already given everything. No. These are the questions, important questions on this only module number 1. Okay, I have given everything, and next class onwards I am going to explain everything step by step according to the slide number 8, whatever we are given here. Okay, these are the assignment questions. See, you can take it for 1 month time will be given to you, so that in that month, see daily one question if you write, see, it will be completing within 10 days. See, very small questions, these are very small questions, and if you cover all these questions, automatically you will become perfect in module number 1. That means module number 1. Okay. Dear students, finally I want to give a small tips to you, see, to score maximum level. Okay. See, these are the instructions to all. See, be regular to the classes and daily update yourself to covered portion. Okay, and daily coming with the previous portions covered. Please come with prepared. See, last class what you have done, and you have to just revise those things and come to the class, please. Okay, and absent is, suppose you are not present for the any class, that is absent is, should contact your friends for that class whatever you are missed and the portions covered, and come with the prepared. See, Otherwise, it is very difficult for you. So this is one of the toughest subject in your entire fifth semester. And also it is the easiest subjects. Only thing is you have to follow. Be regular to the class. Wishing you all the best. Wishing you all the best. Thank you. Thank you all for listening patiently. Okay, enjoy learning, stay home, stay safe, and never stop learning. Thank you all. Thank you.